Welcome to Wheelhouse, your trusted garage for all things automotive. Today, we're talking about a powerful comeback that's set to shake up the Indian SUV scene. Yes, you heard that right. The 2025 Tata Sumo Gold Max Pro is here, and it's ready to reclaim its throne as India's toughest, most practical utility SUV. Once a household name across cities, towns, and hillsides, the Sumo is back with a modern twist. Legacy reborn. The original Tata Sumo carved a place in India's automotive history with its unmatched durability, roomy cabin, and go-anywhere capability. For years, it served families, fleets, and even armed forces. The 2025 Sumo Gold Max Pro takes that legacy forward while embracing the demands of today's drivers. It's not just a facelift, it's a full-scale revival with new engineering, better design, and smarter features. Design, bold, boxy, and modern. Tata Motors has stayed true to the Sumo's rugged DNA. The 2025 version keeps the iconic boxy silhouette but modernizes it with LED lighting, sharper character lines, and a reworked front grille that carries Tata's latest design language. The body-on-frame build remains, ensuring strength and durability for years to come. Ground clearance is beefed up, wheels are larger, and black cladding adds to its off-road ready look. Powertrain, new heart, old strength. Under the hood, the 2025 Sumo Gold Max Pro is powered by a BS6 Phase 2 compliant 2.2L diesel engine, derived from Tata's proven lineup. Producing around 120 horsepower and 280 Nm of torque, it offers the perfect balance between performance and efficiency. Paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, it's geared for high-load hauling, rural transport, and long-distance journeys. A 4x4 option might also be on the cards for those who demand more terrain-tackling power. Interior, function meets comfort. Step inside, and it's a whole new world. While still utilitarian at heart, the 2025 Sumo features a redesigned dashboard, digital driver display, and a large touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The cabin is more refined, with improved insulation, better seating materials, and optional captain seats in the second row. Depending on the variant, you can choose between 7, 8, or 9-seater configurations. Technology and safety, no compromise. Tata has made sure the new Sumo doesn't fall behind in tech. Key safety features include ABS with EBD, dual airbags, rear parking sensors, electronic stability control, and hill hold assist. While it's not trying to be an urban luxury SUV, it doesn't skip the essentials either. USB ports, AC vents for all rows, and voice-enabled controls round out the experience. Utility and versatility, built to work. The real strength of the Sumo Gold Max Pro has always been its utility, and the 2025 version doubles down on that. High payload capacity, roof rails, heavy-duty suspension, and optional cargo configurations make it a favorite for commercial use, government fleets, and rural transportation. Whether it's transporting people, luggage, or equipment, the Sumo is designed to carry the load without complaint. Expected pricing and launch. While official pricing hasn't been announced yet, industry buzz suggests the 2025 Tata Sumo Gold Max Pro will start around 11 lakh rupees, placing it right in the sweet spot for utility buyers. Launch is expected later this year, with bookings likely to open shortly after the official reveal. Tata is aiming to attract both old loyalists and new buyers who value strength and simplicity in an SUV. Final thoughts: the right kind of upgrade. The 2025 Tata Sumo Gold Max Pro isn't just a nostalgic reboot, it's a thoughtful reimagining of a trusted name. Tougher, smarter, and still immensely practical, it brings back everything we loved about the original, but in a package that's ready for today's roads and tomorrow's challenges. If you're looking for a no-nonsense, hard-working SUV that refuses to quit, this might be the one to watch. Thanks for tuning into Wheelhouse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest launches and reviews. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you buy the new Sumo if it hits the streets this year? Until next time, keep the wheels turning.